What's up, guys? Ethan Phipps here from LPC Outdoors. Today we're coming at you with another review of the Vortex Diamondback 10x42 binoculars. Let's get in here and see what we got. Got our papers for the binoculars. Come in a soft-sided carry case. Got our strap for binoculars. Cleaning cloth. Strap for the case. We had the binoculars themselves. Caps here on the front and the back. Adjustable, everything's adjustable on them. Focus right there. Real nice ergonomic feeling binoculars. Real clear. Real nice binoculars, guys. So there we have it. Vortex Diamondback 10x42 binoculars.